Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Sugandh Khanna, AWS Solution Architect Associate Certified and Aqua Certified Drupal 8. Today we will learn step 13 of CI/CD pipeline. It's how to send data from Jenkins server to the Ansible server with the help of the plugin Publish over SSH. This is my demo project. I'll configure it by clicking over configure. This is my source code management where it is showing the Git URL. Scroll down. So here we will click GitHub hook triggers. For this basically does what? So I am at my Jenkins server and my build is failing. The reason behind this is because the authentication is getting failing and I didn't share the key, the RSA key of Jenkins to my Ansible server. So in order to execute the build, it is mandatory like your SSH key should be shared on the Ansible server, and when you SSH to Ansible server from Jenkins server, then it should be successful login. Okay, so I'm here, go to demo project and build now. See, the build is now success. And what our motto is, what our objective is, when we check our OPT folder, index.html get copied from Jenkins to here in the OPT folder, in the OPT directory. Fine. So this is basically what we are trying to do, and we have achieved this. So we got many errors make us more reluctant and more strong, and we are able to resolve those in the runtime. So that's, I think, is really appreciable. So if you like my video, please do subscribe and like my channel. Thank you and have a nice day.